Welcome and thanks for watching. Today we're going to look at something we picked up, and thanks to Bluegrass Pawn Gun Golden Jewelry for the opportunity to review this little pistol they just got in. And I want to thank them, and go in and see them if you get a chance. They're right off of 460, right out of Mount Sterling on Camargo Road, and across from Creech's Market. Family running on business. They'll greet you with a smile. Tom and Murray. And guys, this is what we picked up. It's the Wild West, and this is the Buffalo Bill, and it's made by Heritage, and pretty nice box. I really like that. I mean, great looking box. And this one here is 4 3/4 inch barrel, 6 round, the Wild West Buffalo Bill series. And now this one just comes with one cylinder, and it's chambered in the 22 long rifle. Now look at those grips, guys. I mean, those are super nice. I mean, now it's got the case hardened frame, and your standard Heritage Rough Rider. I mean, but pretty smooth, tight as can be, and but those grips, I'm going to say those is looks like maybe walnut. I don't know. So they sure done a good job, and I like that case hardened frame, or the case hardened look frame. I'm not for sure if that's real case hardened or not. It really don't emphasize a lot about that. But anyhow, you get your free shipping offer right out of the box with this one for your Magnum cylinder, and your manual, and a thing from the to join the NRA. And guys, that's about hitting your lock. And but I mean, this box is decorated up, even on the inside. I mean, the Buffalo Bill Rough Rider 22 caliber series. I mean, guys, pretty nice. I wonder if it shoots any different. I've noticed these sights are way down low. It's like they really cut them down there, and they don't have that big blade sticking up here like the older ones did. And guys, that trigger pull, I'm gonna put the safety on here, and this gun has been cleared before the video. Oh yeah, it's got a super nice trigger pull on it. Not bad at all, I'm telling you. We'll put some rounds through this and just see if it's any different. You know, I'm gonna say it's going to shoot just like your regular Heritage pistols. They seem to all perform pretty good. And I'm sorry if the camera's shaking a little bit. I'm out here doing this, and I think I've got the camera a little bit too close, and it's bumping up against the table a little bit. So I'll tell you what, let's go out and put just a few rounds to it and see how it does. So stick right with me and we'll do that. Okay, we got us a target set up here out in back of my shop, and there's a little kennel where there's no animals in it. So it's too cold out here. So we're gonna load up with 6 rounds of Armcore copper plated round nose and 40 grain, and put about 6 rounds to this little pistol, and just see how it does offhand, and then we'll show you the target. All right, I'm gonna get my plugs in here, and we're gonna take 6 rounds. Now we're not very far off, we're about 7 yards, so 6 or 7, and just see how it does. Safety off. Not too bad. I mean, let's put about 6 more. I mean, I had the sights was surprising me there. They're actually holding about where it needs to be. So I was compensating because my other one I've had with the longer barrel, it shoots pretty high, and this one is pretty much just a level bead, and it's doing pretty decent. All right, I'm gonna try 6 more rounds. Not bad. Okay guys, we'll finish the review on the inside. I'll bring the target and show it to you, and let you take a look at it. Okay guys, I mean, some of those is doubles, and this is your first shots right here, and I had one to the left, and I think down here, and then and here, this one was a flyer. I don't know what happened there, but I kind of got actually a closer, finer bead, about level bead, and it was putting them in there pretty good. So not bad. Right out, and that first time I ever shot it, so it done pretty good. So we'll get back in the building now this cold, because it's starting to rain out here. We got some weather coming in. So I'll see you on the inside. Well, it did pretty good. I mean, right out of the box, first time I'd ever shot it. I think it's a pretty good little shooting revolver. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I thank you for all your views and comments. And subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. And give us a thumbs up at the end of the video if you like it. It seems to help. And we'll see you all the next time on The Walk with Al. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it.